start, what was our target? That we were having a sinusoidal type voltage as input, and we had a bridge rectifier and filter and load as output. And now what happened, that clearly you can see the current waveform is never sinusoidal. We have simulated it, we have seen it. The Excel contains the time, voltage and the current data. Once you have done this, exactly this thing is done in the metering system with the help of analog to digital converter. The circuit and the simulation, the input, etc. are done automatically because the current is received in the meter through a current transformer called the CT, and the voltage is directly fed to the meter through a potential divider. I think you know what is potential divider, R1 R2 division. I think they,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, these things were taught in now. What happens actually? So they get simultaneously the phase and the phase difference in voltage and current and the corresponding wave shape. No problem about that. Now the meter converts and keeps in the memory location exactly like the Excel sheet. If you see here that in the boxes there are voltage, just think of the of uh, uh, registers of memory location. In each of these boxes they keep the corresponding voltage and current exactly like this as is done in Excel in the memory registers or the RAM chip in the meter. Now what? Now is the assignment to do something so that the user can see the units consumed and the bill. Exactly what the meter does. Can you tell me? Uh, First of all, can you tell me that anybody has seen a digital meter installed in your house? Does anybody have?
Yes, sir. Digital electric meter.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then I think you have seen there is a LCD display that is showing
Yes, sir.
something.
Yes, sir. The units.
Yes.
So not only unit, the meters will show the voltage. What type of voltage? True RMS voltage. Similarly, true RMS current, the power factor it is the house is consuming, and ultimately the units, which is very important. We will exactly do this practical thing in our simulation through the Excel. The duty of yours will be to find all these parameters in the corresponding columns. For example, see, everybody can see there is time, voltage, current. Another column will be what is the true RMS voltage, what is the true RMS current, what is the true power, what is the apparent power, and from true power and apparent power what we can find out. Can you tell me?
Power factor.
Exactly. The factor will be found out. One information the meter does not give is whether the factor is leading or lagging, because that is very difficult to ascertain. So the meter does not give that. Now what your assignment will be, the first step will be to compute all these things and present in the Excel file, and ultimately write in the assignment that what are the formulas that you are using to find, and what are the values you will write in the document and produce the PDF. This is the first part of the assignment. Uh, uh, can everybody follow what I was telling?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these things will be presented in the column. In the later part of the assignment, what we will do, we will give some classical circuits of a pure resistive circuit, pure inductive circuit that can be easily done in your uh, PSpice simulation, or even who has problem in simulating, he can do another column in Excel by just uh, the classical formulas used in the did you remember in our first class that without uh, without the PSpice model we were doing using Excel formulas. In that way, the pure inductance, capacitance through pure inductance, pure capacitance, pure resistance can be easily seen in the first assignment, the Excel sheet. From there, you can also take them out if you don't want to do the simulations. What will be done to test the software, validity of the software that you have done it correctly? We will test and see for pure inductance or pure capacitance, there will be very low power factor, and for the resistive system, pure resistance, the power factor must be very close to unity. That is why I am just telling, if possible, do the simulation again in PSpice with the help of the same circuit that I have shown you. 1 minute, just uh, uh, whether I have the simulation of a, I will show that. While yes, I have got it. Now I just present. Did you remember this circuit?
Yes, sir.
How did we do? We have put the voltage across the voltage source, the current across the shunt. Now, what we will do, for those who want to know, see, this entire circuit will be replaced by a resistive load. For example, I am just deleting the entire thing, rectifier, etc., capacitor, and just as load, we will put the resistor here, the pure resistive load. In this way, one thing is missing, the ground earth point must be here. We have put the resistive load here, and just to see what is the power factor in a practical circuit. It must be very near to 1, but what is the actual value? In this way, replace this resistor by pure inductor, a pure capacitor, and see what happens to your computation value. That will be the next part. In the first part, we don't require it. Only in the voltage you write here what is the true RMS voltage, true RMS current, true power, apparent power, power factor. Once you find these things, from there you can calculate the units. That I don't require in Excel sheet, only in assignment. You just write the formula by which you can calculate the units at the end of month from these data. I hope that you are understanding that if all these values are obtained, unit can also be obtained. It is no problem. So it is just related to time integration. So that formula you will write. I repeat, in the assignment I don't require the Excel sheet. I just want to know in all the assignment I have told you, just the relevant screenshot if possible, mainly the theory by which you have completed or you have done your assignment. That is important to me and nothing else. I want to see that everybody has done it. So, do you have any questions? Did you understand what I was telling?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat part 1?
Okay, I repeat part 1. Part 1, again I will present the Excel. See carefully. Part 1 is time, voltage and current. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Then just increase the column to what is the true RMS voltage, what is the true RMS current. Are you noting down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. True RMS voltage, true RMS current, true power, and from the product of RMS voltage into RMS current, you will have apparent power, and from these two, you will have the power factor, and you just write the values there, and from that the values you will put the formula by which unit at the end of month can be obtained. Just in a PDF form you give the assignments. This will be the first part, and that I will take it, leave the next week. I think from 28 the lab class will start. How long did you get the notice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
long? From 28 to how long? What is the last date?
7th or 8th, I think.
8th January, sir. 8th January.
Okay. Then is it possible to sit 9, 10? Can you just do the class on 9? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then just for the 9th class, we will take this assignment, and if I think 13 will be the result of the classes. I don't know.
So 15th.
15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, then, then on 15th itself, I will take the second part of the assignment. That is easy, just pure inductor, pure capacitor, pure resistor. What are the these corresponding values obtained? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even if you can club the two, you can give it 2 on 9th also, no problem. And after 15th or on the next week itself, I will have a remedial class where I will ask you all the problems who have not submitted the assignment, what are the problems, what may be done as alternative process, that I will discuss on the week which will start from 11th. Okay, then any day in that week we will have another class. I think that will be the last class.
Okay, sir.
So up for today we are just setting the date on 9, and